Hello everybody, today it's Cubicle Girl here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw, to make your drawings look professional. So today I'm just going to show you how to draw, I'm just going to show you how to draw a cube professionally. Not like professionally, but, well, this is kind of a little thing that you could do to make your drawings look more professional, I guess. So I'm gonna go kind of down, not too many lines. So we're just gonna draw a cube. Like that. Then wow, it actually looks really good. I don't usually draw like that. I mean, sometimes I will, but there, doesn't it look so cool compared to this? So normal versus professional. So N for normal and P for professional. Okay. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. It was only really 2 minutes, really short. But I hope it's helpful, and man, it just looks so great. I didn't actually think it would come out that good. But make sure to share this video with friends and family. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more. And I hope you enjoyed. I think I covered everything.